Hi everybody, so I'm just going to take a quick look at the My BMW app, which replaces the Connected Drive app. You can see the landing page is pretty much the same. You have to create a 4-digit PIN, or you could use phones features like fingerprint recognition or facial recognition. And the home screen is pretty much the same. Just a picture of your car, shows your fuel level. You can kind of send commands right from the home screen here, which is really convenient. Stuff like remote start, flash the lights, lock and unlock the car, all stuff you use pretty frequently if you're into the app. It also gives you a status on your car, so you can see mine has the sunroof open right now, and if I click that, you can see a little bit more detail there. If the car's locked, the windows are up, stuff like that. And if you click through, you can see you have maintenance reminders and stuff like that. My car's fairly new, so there's not too much to do there. And you can also start remote software upgrades from the app, which is really cool. They may not work if your car's parked like in an underground structure or stuff like that. And scrolling down, you can see it gives your location. You can, again, you can program the car to start the climate control at certain times. So like if you leave for work every day at the same time, you can set that timer in through the app. I don't have it set up because I leave at different times sometimes. And then you can also use the digital key through the app. If you have an iPhone, I think right now you can use your phone as a key, which is cool. I haven't set it up because I don't really care about that at all. And then you can also see a history of the commands you've sent to the car. It's cool that you can reach the Connected Drive store through here as well. Obviously, it doesn't matter too much right now, but it will in a few years when these cars start running out of their included service packages. A lot of these are pretty good deals. I'm not so sure about the $225 for 12 months. I don't really need concierge service or anything like that in my 3 Series, so I'm not sure how popular that will be. But I definitely think paying $90 or $100 for these services would definitely be worth it. And then just a little bit more model information on the car and stuff like that. Again, not too much has changed in this app. If you had the Connected Drive app, you're going to notice a lot of the same stuff here. The UI is definitely a little bit more intuitive, and everything's just a little bit smoother and stuff like that. Overall, it seems like the remote start function might work a little bit quicker on the app. I don't know if that's placebo effect or what, but that's just my experience. Another really cool thing is you now have access to your financial services page through the app, which you didn't in the past. One of the most annoying things is that you had to have 2 separate logins for BMW FS and the Connected Drive app. Now it looks like it's all pretty much integrated into one. So that's a quick look at the new My BMW app. Looking forward to hopefully some improvements in the future and some new features and stuff, especially as iDrive 8 gets closer. But definitely like this app, definitely find it convenient, use it all the time. And yeah, that's about it.